Does this sound like you? You're searching for a home remodeler and you've heard everything from design build to remove and replace to even one-day remodels. And you're left wondering which one is right for you and what could be the hangups of certain types of remodels. In the spirit of transparency, we realize that nobody is perfect in what they do. We at JSB would categorize ourselves as a remove and replace contractor. Don't worry, if you don't know what that means, we will define that in this video. And by the end of the video, you'll know the potential pitfalls in working with a remove and replace contractor and what other options are available in order to be able to make a decision on whether or not a remove and replace contractor is right for you. We would love to work with you on your remodeling project, but also know that our style is not for everybody. It's important for us that you work with a contractor that is the absolute best fit for you and your family, even if it's not JSB. What is the remove and replace process and what do they do? The remove and replace process is a common method of in-home remodeling involving the removal of old features from a room and the replacement with new ones while maintaining the original layout, typically applied in projects like bathroom and kitchen renovations. This approach offers efficiency by condensing timelines from months to weeks and reducing labor costs. However, it does have limitations. Some remove and replace contractors may only cover up outdated features rather than addressing the underlying issue like mold or structural problems. These quick fix solutions can be misleading, emphasizing the importance of thorough research when selecting a remodeling company. It is crucial to scrutinize their services and reviews to determine if the remove and replace approach aligns with your project goals or other alternative methods should be considered. The top 3 problems of working with a remove and replace remodeler. There are 3 common problems that we have seen in our years of business with the remove and replace process. The first problem we have seen is limited options. The remove and replace process is limited in its capacity. By its nature, it cannot entirely change the layout of the room. The remove and replace process is designed to build upon the good foundation of your space with updated features. Some people like to have free reign with their design decisions on kitchens and bathrooms. They want to avoid being bogged down by limitations. The materials that are provided are also limited. Most remove and replace contractors work within a certain few products that they have selected and know their installers can install professionally and efficiently. Working with a trusted contractor will help alleviate this problem. Trusted design consultants and project managers will be upfront and honest about any limitations with your project. There should be no surprises in this area. Time frame. Some homeowners might be skeptical of the time frame of the remove and replace process. You may be asking, can this remodel really be completed in just 1 week or even 2? While this timeline is feasible in a remove and replace, mistakes can happen. Due to the speed of the timeline, contractors may feel rushed with essential details being lost in the shuffle. A contractor may damage a faucet during installation. The supplier could accidentally damage a customer cabinet. Examples like these increase your time spent on the project from a week to a few weeks or even a month. In-home consultations are set up with the intent to have you prepared for the timeline of your project. Your design consultant will walk you through the decisions and give you an accurate timeline of the work being done in your space. Who is involved in this project? In a remove and replace remodel, you will typically work with just 2 people, the design consultant and the project manager. The design consultant has an idea of how the space should look from an aesthetic point of view. They will listen to your wants and desires as a homeowner and make recommendations on how to transform your space based on your wants and desires. The production manager looks at the space from the other side, the functional side. The production manager will make sure everything will fit and function as intended. If the production runs across any unforeseen plumbing and/or electric, certain pivots may be required. Is working with a remove and replace remodeler right for you? If you don't think a remove and replace remodeler is suitable for your renovation project, a design build company is the better option. A design build remodeler will have a designer walk you through every step of the process, allowing you to have anything done in your space. If you are thinking a remove and replace might be a better option for you, a few questions you may want to ask yourselves are, what contractors in my area offer a remove and replace option? What is the cost of a remove and replace project? And what is the timeline of a remove and replace project? Even though it is imperfect, the remove and replace process can provide upgrades for much of your home. Going through what makes this process fall short makes you an informed homeowner, and ultimately will lead you to make the best possible decision for your home remodeling project.